Reliable solutions for Land Rover timing chain noise, stretch and failure symptoms. Protect your Land Rover engine from costly damage by identifying and resolving timing chain issues with expert precision services. Address abnormal rattling sounds. Prevent sudden power loss. Restore engine timing accuracy. Maintain long-term engine durability. Common symptoms of timing chain problems: metallic rattling or ticking noise points to a loose or worn-out timing chain tensioner. Engine misfires or performance dips may occur from improper valve timing or stretched chain. Illuminated check engine light often indicates timing correlation issues requiring immediate diagnostics, expert diagnosis and inspection services. Timing chain cover removal allows visual assessment of chain tension and guide work. Camshaft and crankshaft alignment tests verify chain integrity and synchronization accuracy. Computerized diagnostics detect related sensor faults and timing irregularities in real time. Precise repair and replacement solutions. Replacing stretched chains and worn sprockets restores correct engine timing and smooth running. Installing new tensioners and guides prevents further chain slack and noise issues. Professional timing recalibration ensures proper synchronization after component replacement. Why early intervention matters. Avoids catastrophic engine damage caused by timing chain failure during driving. Reduces repair costs by addressing problems before total chain or gear breakdown. Enhances driving reliability and protects your Land Rover's long-term performance value. Conclusion. Trust experienced technicians to resolve Land Rover timing chain issues with precision. Restore engine silence, power and reliability confidently.